All right, so I got the Starbrite hull cleaner here, and as you can see, we have some lake water that is pretty well caked on, a little bit from last year and then some from this season. So it says very simply to spray this on, give it 2 minutes, and then wash it with some fresh water. So you can see I just sprayed this side. It's been about, I don't know, a minute. So I'm gonna give it the 2 minutes, may even give it like 3, just so it can really set in there, and then I'll rinse it off. Now it does say if it's really bad, then you may need 2 applications. So this is enough to do 1 hull. I'll say I did that whole side. There feels like there's about 3/4 left. So I think I should be able to get 2 applications on either side of the boat. You could already see some of it starting to streak off, which is pretty interesting. So I'm gonna cut back in a second and we'll really see if this stuff is as good as I hope it is. I know the Starbrite mildew remover, sorry, let me get my words together here, is perfect for the seats. I used it last year and then I came out this season, and with having the boat covered, these didn't even really need to be cleaned. But I will say, if you have really bad mildew on the vinyl of your boat, use Starbrite mildew remover, and then hopefully I can give the same shout out to the hull cleaner. So let's see in a second. All right, so I just sprayed down the other side. I figure I might as well get that started while I'm waiting for this. So I just got a regular hose. I do have a power washer, but I feel like this is supposed to do most of the work, to spray. So let's just see. Yeah, you can see it's starting to go away there, but definitely is gonna need some more. I mean, let me zoom in here. So you can see it streaking it away. I'm actually gonna get a rag and just see if that helps a little bit. Now, I know it does need another treatment, but let's just see. Oh yeah. All right, I'm blocking this whole thing. See, it wasn't really spraying away, but look it's wiping away. So yeah, you just need to get a rag out, wipe it down, but look at that. I mean, this is what it was. With a rag in 2 seconds, it went away. So hey, that stuff works really well. Starbrite, man, Starbrite. I'm really impressed with this stuff. Inside the boat, outside the boat, Starbrite is getting my thumbs up. I'm sure there's other good stuff out there, but this is easy to get. It's right at Walmart if you need to run and go get some, even if there's not a boat place around. So I mean, can't get much better than that.